It's about getting yourself to a position where you have a choice as to whether you turn up to work or not, and your business produces a passive income or is an asset to sell. At least in the meantime, you can work into a situation where you get to do the things you love doing in the business and the things that generate the highest possible value. It's as simple as categorizing activities from your time audit into one of these boxes. What's the hourly rate? How much do you enjoy doing it? This is called the skill fund matrix. As business owners, you choose where you spend your precious time. For example, a plumber's hourly rate might be £200, but if he spends his time doing bookkeeping at £40 an hour or PA and admin at £15, then he's wondering why he's not earning £200 an hour. Be ruthless. Much of what you can do can be outsourced or delegated. You may not even have to hire necessarily. Virtual PAs, bookkeepers can create the time needed to do the high revenue work, especially the stuff you enjoy, and you will grow profit. If you fail to focus on this, you'll always be constricted. If you increase your profit, you can grow, and then you can hire people better than you to do the things you don't enjoy. It has to be planned though. Month by month, work on ways to progress across the matrix from the bottom left to the top right. Working on yourself and your business in line with clear goals. Thinking, learning, leading. High value. Consider your company dashboard. If you're a car, your fuel gauge is your cash flow forecast, as you can't run out of that. So what's your speedometer? Telling you how fast you'll scale. Clients typically think the speedometer is how many new clients they can get, revenue, or a number of employees. No, that's why they come to me when their business plateaus and they can't take on new clients. First, we clarify that their time and capabilities, or lack of, are the blocker to the business. A business wants to grow. You are blocking it if it's not. The amount of time each week you invest in leveraged work, building your business and people, learning, developing yourself, systemizing, or having others do it, is your speedometer how fast you will grow. If you want to grow faster, you need to systemize faster. For example, recruitment, induction, team management systems. Your vision, your mission, and core values are all people systems. Put them in once and benefit from them repeatedly. So what blind spot has this highlighted for you, and what action will you take?